let's create a simple footstep system in Unreal Engine 5. So if we go over to our content drawer, you can see here that I've already got my footstep sounds. So let's go and create a new sound cue, and we'll call this footsteps underscore cue. We'll go ahead and open this up. Now we're simply going to drag all of our sound waves into this cue. We're going to get a random node, and then we'll plug all of these in. Now what this is going to do is it's going to add a bit more variation to our footsteps by randomly selecting one of these nodes. And then the other thing we're going to do is we're going to get a modulator on the output pin, and this is going to tweak the sounds ever so slightly. So again, it adds a bit more variation to our footsteps. So if we go ahead and save that, and then now if we go over to our animation, we're going to add a new notify track, and we'll call this footsteps. And then if we find where our footstep lands on the ground, this is where we're going to add the notify. So we'll add notify, play sound, and then simply select your footstep cue, like so. And then all we're going to do is we're going to add this to each footstep. Now once we've done that, if we press play, we can hear our footsteps play. If we save this and then go back to our level, as you can see, if we move around, we can now hear our footsteps. And that is it, guys. That is how you create a simple footstep system in Unreal Engine 5. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next one.